With the Ocean Band for Apple Watch, you can securely wear your watch in the water, even if you're wearing a wetsuit. Here's how it works. First, attach the Ocean Band to your Apple Watch. Place your watch face down over a clean surface. Then slide the two band parts into the slots at the top and bottom of your watch. Next, we'll attach the adjustable loop, which is an extra piece designed to provide a custom fit for your band. You'll find the loop inside the box that your Ocean Band came in. It's a good idea to do this while at home or another indoor location before you get in the water. To attach the loop, just pull it open and twist. Then, slide it through a tube in the side of the band that will fit your wrist best. Once it's in place, close the adjustable loop. You should hear it click. Now, put on the watch and pull the tail end of the band through the buckle. Your watch should fit close to your wrist. Fasten the buckle, then pull the excess band through the loop. You might need to move the loop to properly secure the tail end of the band. If you do need to readjust the loop, you might need to remove your watch from your wrist first. Once it fits comfortably and feels secure, you're all set. If you have the extra long Ocean Band extension to wear with a thicker wetsuit, you'll need to secure the excess band with a second adjustable loop, which is included in the box. Once you've pulled the excess band through the first loop, fold the band back, attach the second adjustable loop at the very end of the band, and pull the tail end of the band through the loop. Now, you and your Apple Watch are ready to hit the waves.